Hello and welcome. Today we are going to review this spring-powered L85 by Umarex. Okay, this is a spring-powered gun, so you have to cock this in order to shoot each time. I'll show you. Do that each time. Okay, some features. It has a scope here, but it doesn't do anything. It's just for display. The safety is this button here. You push the button, the safety is on. To turn the safety off, you go to the other side, you push the button here, and the safety is off. Okay, if you want, you could put a strap on it, because it has a loop here and here. Okay. Just trying to think. The magazine. Here is the magazine release button. You push the button and the magazine slides out. This has a very interesting way to load. There's a rod here. You pull the rod and you insert it in. And at the bottom there's a small black piece here. You put it on a latch and place the rod back, and it's holding the spring down, and you have to manually load the pellets yourself. You can use a speed loader or a hand. This gun holds 26, by the way, 26 pellets. So just give me a second, please. Just taking my time a little bit. It's a bit. Okay, when it's almost at the top in that way, don't force another pellet. Sorry, I'm being a bit slow, sorry. Okay. Once you have your magazine, do not touch the button at the bottom yet. You simply insert it in, and then you release. Sometimes it might still be stuck on the first shot, but don't worry. Cock the gun anyway, and release the button anyway. It usually works. Okay, this is a spring powered gun, so you have to cock the gun each time. As you can see, it's quite easy to operate. It's very light as well. Okay, and there you have it. It's quite a nice model. thank you for watching. I'm sorry there wasn't too much to talk about because it's a spring powered rifle, but apart from that, it's really fun to use. And once again, thank you.